I'm Nina Berenato, and today I'm going to show you how to add charms to your Nina Berenato vision board necklaces. Whether you're creating a vision board necklace in store or you're building one online, the first thing you'll do is choose your chain base. And once you've decided the type of chain you want to start with and added that to your cart or into your tray in store, then we'll start choosing our charms and really building out something custom for you. The chunky chain is really great because you can add a ton of charms. We usually recommend about 5 or 6 so that they lay really nicely along the chest. If you add more than that, you'll usually get them kind of hanging a little weird near the shoulders. But when you go to put these on yourself, you'll want to start with the center and latch first on the charm that you want to be right in the middle. I like to lay mine out ahead of time so I can get a nice little balance. When I do attach, I'm going to look for a small opening in the charm's jump ring. That's going to link on to the center of your chain. And sometimes you have to give it a little wiggle, but you really want to make sure that it can free flow in between these two links. When you start to add your next charms, you'll want to skip one link and then start to add on the same chain link that's going in the same direction. These are really easy to add. Just by adding a little bit of pressure, you can latch it on. Our thin chain is really nice, not only because it's really elegant and delicate, but also it has a size inclusive bead, which allows you to change the length of this chain all the way from being 33 inches, or you can do it as short as a choker style. The other cool part about this necklace is that it can actually be wrapped around, latched back into the lobster claw, and turned into a layering necklace. This allows you to really get a lot of bang from this piece. When you're adding charms to the thin necklace, you can just add them on by running them through the end of the chain. You can also use the tension on this clasp to push them on the chain as well. You can also cluster the charms and just let them dangle together for a really cool look. So that's how you do it. It's really just that simple. I always want to welcome you to come into one of my stores in Austin or Dallas where you can have a dedicated stylist who will take you through this full experience, but you can also build these at home. It's super easy. If you have any questions, you can always email us and we'd be happy to guide you through, but it really is something that you can just order online at ninaberenato.com and put together in your house. I hope that you guys love this concept. I can't wait to see the things that you bring into your life with these vision boards, and thank you as always for all the love and support for everything we create here.